To show you how to design your pens and pencils, you will need pencils, colored tape, scissors, and any other writing utensils you want. I'm going to start off by sharpening my pencils so that they are all ready to use when we're done, and then I will be taking a short piece of tape just long enough to wrap around the very top and very bottom of the pencil. This tape is from Target. They also have many other designs and colors, which is great, and they're all under $5.
No, I don't want no rest.
Then I will be taking a longer piece of tape, the length of the pencil, and I will be placing it on top of the pencil and pressing it down on all sides. This tape, though, will only cover half the pencil, so we're going to do the same thing to the other side so the whole pencil is covered.
The highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands.
This DIY is super simple and will turn your plain pens and pencils into fun and colorful ones. To create this cute pencil holder, you will need a short mason jar, mine was $1 from Target, red paint, pencils, rubber bands, a sponge brush, and a leaf. First, I'm going to take the lid off and then pour some paint out and use the sponge brush to paint the inside of the jar. I let it dry overnight, and in the morning I placed many rubber bands on the rim of the jar. I then took the leaf and placed the stem in between the bands so that it will hold, and then place the pencils inside. This is a cute, affordable gift perfect for your teacher.
Give me reasons to doubt, try to keep me down, but I'll put the...
For this DIY, you will need folders and notebooks, small squares of patterned paper, labels, colored tape, scissors, a sponge brush, Mod Podge, and a Sharpie. First, I will be taking out all the design patterns that I want to use to design my notebook and folder.
I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
I will then take my scissors and cut out many triangles out of each design, making sure that they are all different shapes and sizes.
But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
Once they are all cut out, I will be taking the Mod Podge and applying it to the back of the triangles with the sponge, and then placing them on the folder, pressing firmly.
Push me down to the ground. What goes around comes around. You won't put the flame out.
To create the mosaic look, I will take different design triangles and place them together just like a puzzle.
Here to stay, no, you can't get to me. And there is no barricade.
Before the entire folder is covered, I'm going to place a label on the folder so I know what class the folder is for.
But I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight. I'm a heavyweight.
fun DIY makes your folders and notebooks super unique.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
For this design, you will be using the same supplies as the last DIY. I will be going through the scrapbook paper again, and I'll be picking a design that I want to put on top of the folder. I will be placing Mod Podge on the back of the entire pattern paper with a sponge brush, and then picking it up and placing it on top of the folder, pressing firmly so that it sticks.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays.
Then I will be taking my colored tape and outlining the pattern paper so that it holds it onto the folder and also adds some design.
And on we'll go.
I then decided to add some colored tape on the edges of the folder for more design and more color.
Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing.
This DIY is super simple and fun to do, and it will turn your plain folders and notebooks into really fun and colorful ones.